course, in any interview, you're going to be asked a series of questions. These questions will have a combination of things to do specifically about the position you're seeking and some more general questions to help the folks understand you better as a person. The quality of your answers is, of course, extremely important in determining your success during this process. And there's a few things that you can think about and do to be better at this process. Aside from knowing the answers, which of course is pretty important, you can do some things to study, prepare for that. Just think about how you go about answering that question will go a long ways to making you a better interviewer. One of the things I see most in folks who interview is they don't take the time to think through an answer before they actually start the answer. If you're interviewing and I'm asking you a question, pause and think about it before you answer. If you're sitting down to take an exam one day and you're reading through an essay question, you wouldn't immediately start writing an answer as soon as you finish reading the question. You're going to pause to think about it. You're going to think about the kinds of things that the question is asking. You're going to be thinking about what parts of you want to focus on most heavily, where you want to draw from your course materials and your lecture notes and things like that. But you're going to think about it before you start writing an answer. The same thing holds true in an interview question. If I ask you a question, stop and think about it. Take a few seconds, and I promise you it may feel like an eternity to you because silence is one of those things that's very uncomfortable in the conversation, but that few seconds of silence to you is nothing to me as the person interviewing you. It's going to go a long way to seeing you thinking about the question. I want to know that you're thinking. I want to know that you are taking the time to honor me as the interviewer, honoring the question, and doing your best to put together a thoughtful answer that helps me better understand you and better understand your ability to do the job. Because fundamentally, that's what this process is all about. So really take that time. Just pause and think about it. Think about what you want to draw from, whether it's an experience you want to describe, something from a club or organization you did, or from an internship you had, maybe even something from study abroad, or something else that you've done. Draw from that experience. Think about what the important highlights are that you really want to focus on, and then think about how you want to end the question. Make sure it's comprehensive, make sure it's contextual. Help me as the interviewer see your experience. If I can visualize it, if I can visualize you doing that learning or having that experience or using that skill, then I can visualize you using the same skill or using the same kinds of experiences and knowledge for me, which in the end is going to help me decide that you're the right person for the job. So take that time, use that silence. It may feel a little uncomfortable, but I promise you it will yield a better result because you'll have the time to think about it. And normally when we think about things, we do better on it. When you think about a question on an exam, you do better on it because you're able to draw from all those experiences. You took the time to prepare before coming into the interview. You researched the company, you researched the position, maybe you did some networking. Let that knowledge come through. Don't just immediately try to dive into an answer. Stop and think about it, use that silence, and it will yield a better answer.